Okay, what I have here is a LED, LCD, whatever, microscope with a big screen, lots of functions, time, delay, or time, date, everything. It has I put in a 128 memory card. You can put up to, 256, 512, whatever you want. It also has an adjustment here for the brightness of the light. The idea is I bought it for my laptop repairs, circuitry, ham radio, circuit, tiny stuff. I know my eyes aren't so great. It doesn't have to sit in this thing. I can just take this out, right, and hang on to it and just hover it over anywhere I want on any board, like that. But I'm putting it in here just because I only have 2 horns. But here's the neat part. I just picked a RAM stick just for, because it's got circuits on it. I'll put it down there. Now you see it's out of focus. So here's the adjusting the focus. Okay. And how's that for detail? Here's the neat part. I can bring it down closer, 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 way closer, super close. Of course, it's going to be out of focus, so I refocus. And look at that. You can find hairline cracks on circuit boards. Okay, here comes the best part of all. I have to put my phone down for a moment to plug this Type-C USB to my PC cable into the side here. Just give me a sec. Okay, I plugged it in. Now you see it's going to flash to an option to go to PC camera. I'm going to do that. Now it's set to PC camera. Very quick, easy download of a small application, which I've already done. And big screen. Woohoo! Isn't that neat? So I'll refocus here, or I'll move it around. So I've got that on the big screen, the big monitor. I can sit here working on things and just look up, and like I said, I can just hang on to this thing. It runs on battery too. I don't have to have that plugged in, and just move it around the circuit board, and it'll show. That is really a cool item. That's going to come in so handy for my business. Let me just get back to a component here. Refocus. How's that? Isn't that something? Get a little closer. Refocus. Wow. Here you go. Let's go. Wait, I gotta bring it up a bit. And refocus. I'm going to do something pointy here. Okay. There's my fingernail. Oh, it's dirty. Oh man, this is a really cool item. So it has, let's unplug this again. And like I said, you can watch it on this main screen here. So we've got image resolution settings. We have language setting, time settings. I've already done that. Screensaver. Frequency of the display, 60 hertz, 120, whatever it is. And I could format the TIFF card, which I'm going to do, or reset the system and the version of the software. There's the different resolutions. So I can go even wider and bigger. And if I want to shut her down, oops, wrong button. Goodbye. Isn't that something? That's really cool. I paid, are you ready for this? $24. How's that?